Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Zendrop as dropshipping for Shopify. Let's get started. So in here, let's head over to this apps right here, and let's search in here for Zendrop. So once you have searched in here for Zendrop, you can see this one. So just click on this one, and then it will direct you to this page wherein you can actually install it. So click on install. Then once you have clicked on the install button, it will ask you for access in order to successfully install this to your Shopify store. So for this one, let's click on the install button. And once you have clicked on the install button, it will actually install itself on your Shopify. And you should be able to see there the step-by-step setup that you can do in order to make Zendrop possible for dropshipping. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process in order for us to see what it looks like. So once it's been loaded, you should be able to see in here that you can create a password. So for me, I'll just put in here a password. And then I will add it and confirm it. Then click on sign up right here. You can also click on this I want free TikTok credits if you want. So once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see what it looks like right now. So just wait for this right here to finish the loading process for your Zendrop account creation. So in this, you can just head on over and click on this find products right here, and you can search in here for products that you want to add as dropshipping product. So for example, you want to add this sporty waist belt, so you can click on this add to my products. And in here, you can see this right here. So let's click on this my products right here. And then in here, you can see this. So click on review and publish. So this is what it looks like right now. So let's just head over and click this publish to my store. Click on confirm. Then as you can see, it will publish it right here. So once you have done this, as you can see, it's actually publishing right now. You can also click on the three dots right here in order to edit it out, however. So as you can see, it's been linked. So let's head over in here to our store in Shopify. Head over to your products. And in here, as you can see, it's actually loading. Once it's done the loading process, you should be able to see in here the sporty waist belt that we have added through the Zendrop dropshipping. So you can add some more products if you want on your Zendrop, and it will be able to show on your Shopify store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.